Good evening, everybody. I am talking to you from the Errol Flynn Marina in Port Antonio. And as you can see behind me, the gate to the beach is locked. Not only the beach, but like a whole beautiful area that people love to walk in. Let me just show you that. Oh, I can't turn it around. Anyway, I'll show you there. So this is the Port Authority controls this beach. And it's the only beach for the public in Port Antonio for children and families. And it's been closed for a year and a half because of COVID. But on June 3rd, the Prime Minister said that all beaches and rivers in Jamaica are open. But yet they still have not opened this beach or any of this public area. I was just told by the security guard that I have to leave. I couldn't even sit on the bench. I was sitting here on the bench. And then she said I could stay for 15 minutes more after we talked for a while. And she told me the reason that it's not open is because they don't have the washing station set up for, the COVID. And it's like, why not? What are they waiting for? The children and families of Port Antonio have gone a year and a half without a place to swim. So I think the Port Authority should just get their act together and get this beach open as soon as possible. So please share this video and let's get the beach open. Come on, Port Authority, get it together. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.